And IBM is helping us technically by providing some of the developers to advance. And while doing data port, DB port specific porting, we are refactoring everything to full DB independence so that any database can be ported. We believe we have about 70% there.
Okay, thank you very much for explaining that. I think this is has answered the question fully. Any other questions? One-time chance. Won't get it again.
I don't mind staying longer in Berlin.
Oh, you like it there? Okay. What is the question?
The question is, what is the process of quality assurance? Software and the releases or whatever is published.
Oh, go ahead.
Okay, QC is a very important subject, and we have experts such as Colin Rooney from Ireland, who has spent many years touring Europe on ERP implementation, and he's the one who leads the QA process in our project. And like we said, we supported by a worldwide team, but we have put down the process in a wiki. It can be a wiki, you can find the process not just involve procedures, they are living and dynamic, but there are a lot of people that sign up as testers.